study published in the medical journal JAMA Ophthalmology found a potential risk of vision loss associated with the widely prescribed weight loss and anti-diabetic drug semaglutide. The study conducted by Boston-based researchers found that there is a potential risk of the development of nonarteritic ischemic optic neuropathy, or in short NAION. This condition is caused by insufficient blood flow to the optic nerve, which could lead to sudden vision loss. In the study, the authors referenced anecdotal evidence suggesting that the use of this drug with rapidly increasing usage may be linked to the development of such condition. This kind of vision loss is the second most common form of optic neuropathy and a significant cause of blindness among adults. The incidence of this condition is 2 to 10 cases per 1 lakh individuals. However, the authors of the study also suggest further research. Semaglutide is sold under the brand names of Wegovy, Rybelsus and Ozempic across the globe. The study identified 16,827 patients for analysis. Among the included patients, 710 had type 2 diabetes and 979 were obese. The researchers searched a centralized data registry of patients who had undergone evaluations at a single academic institution from December 1, 2017 to November 30, 2023. In patients with type 2 diabetes, the authors reported 17 NAION events in those prescribed semaglutide compared to 6 in the non-semaglutide group. The analysis indicated that patients treated with semaglutide had a higher risk of developing this particular eye condition compared to those on other anti-diabetes medications. Among overweight or obese patients, a similar pattern was observed with 20 NAION events in the semaglutide group versus just 3 in the other cohort. However, the authors concluded that despite extensive study, the reason for this eye-related issue has not been fully clarified. According to eye specialists, the findings are important and cannot be undermined. For instance, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, who is a director and senior eye surgeon at Eye Care Center in New Delhi, told News18 that NAION typically affects one eye and is often associated with factors like hypertension, diabetes and other vascular conditions. He said that we should not undermine the findings of this study and whether such condition happens because of the drug or associated metabolic or cardiovascular changes which happens after taking the drug are still unknown. He believes that semaglutide may contribute to causing this eye condition by changing the blood flow or by causing other vascular effects in the optic nerve. He emphasizes the importance of close monitoring and early detection, especially for patients taking this drug to prevent further damage and to identify potential treatment options. Similarly, the country's top endocrinologists have emphasized monitoring the concern while adding that they haven't noticed any such complaints in their clinical practice so far. They pointed out that it is just an observational study and similar findings have not been reported in randomized clinical trials, which is much stronger scientific evidence. While this study raises concerns for the medical community to monitor carefully, no such complaints have been noted by practitioners so far, as currently the drug is prescribed by numerous doctors worldwide. In short, doctors said that they need more data and better performed studies for concrete findings.
This study is an important study because it actually shows that the risk of a particular eye complication, a type of optic neuropathy, is significantly higher in patients who are on semaglutide. But this is an analysis of existing data, a retrospective analysis. It's not a planned prospective study. Such an observation has not been made in any clinical trial so far, nor has been reported by so many people who are using semaglutide for several years now. But we should not ignore it in the sense that it raises a flag, and we should be careful about the fact that if any eye complications develop, we need to report them, record them. At the moment, I think it does not lead to a change in practice. I think the use of semaglutide will not be seriously affected by this study. As I said, we need prospective randomized trials to figure this out for sure.